All right, we talked about preterite verbs. I guess it was like last chapter. Anyway, but remember like regular preterite verbs, they have the easteo amos eron endings, right? So we have like hablar, and it is hablé, hablaste, habló, hablamos, hablaron, right? Accent on the yo and the lau stead form. Well, today we're going to be talking about some irregular preterite verbs. Just like we have irregular present tense verbs, we also have irregular preterite verbs. And a lot of times they're ones, no, not always, but a lot of times it's ones that were irregular in the present tense, right? Makes sense. So today we're going to be looking at ear, and hopefully you remember that ear means to go. We're going to be looking at the preterite for it, okay? So the yo form is fui. And again, I don't know how we get from ear to fui, but we do, okay? The to form fuiste, the la usted form fue, the nosotros form fuimos, and then we have the ellos, ellas, ustedes form fueron, okay? And then since this is the preterite, the past, it would be I went, you informal went, he went, she went, you formal went, we went, and they went, you plural went. Okay, any questions? Be sure to let me know if you have problems with that. And then we're going to look at jugar, which is another irregular verb in the preterite, and it is irregular in the present as well. There's the present in case you need a refresher, stem changer. Okay, really the main irregular one in the preterite is the yo form. Notice here we have jugué. We have a U in there. And then jugaste, jugo, jugamos, jugaron. So really here we just have mainly the yo with the irregular. Okay, everything else follows the rule. Jugar means to play, or remember, a sport or game. So I played, you informal played, he played, she played, you formal played, we played, and they played, you plural played. All right, now to practice this, we're going to be on page 351, so page 351, and we're going to be looking at exercise 8. It says, complete the sentences about where everyone went this weekend using the correct preterite form of ear in each blank. Then tell what everyone did using jugar and the preterite and a different expression from the box in each sentence. So here's the modelo. You're going to say, Tere blank a la playa con sus amigos. So the correct form of ear there would be fue, F-U-E. And then we're going to put what she did there. Now, she is with her friends. So they've gone ahead and put they played volleyball. Jugaron al voleibol. Right? Let's go ahead and look at numero uno. Fede blank a la cancha de fútbol. So you're going to say that she went. What form of ear are you going to be using with that? Hopefully you said fue, F-U-E. And if she went to the soccer field, what do you think she might be doing there? Maybe playing football? So how would we say she played football? Hopefully you said jugo, J-U-G-O, right here. Al football. Remember, jugar is one of those that gets the A after it all the time. So, jugó al fútbol. Okay, número dos. Marcia y Daniel blank al centro comercial. So they went to the shopping center. What form of ear are you going to be using? Hopefully you said fueron. And then, if they went there, what's something they might play? If you're looking at the box. Yeah, probably the videojuegos, unos videojuegos. So how do we say they played? Hopefully you said jugaron, unos videojuegos. So they played some video games. All right, número tres, Roberto y Felipe al estadio. So they went to the stadium. What form of ear? Fueron, right? F-U-E-R-O-N. And if they went to the stadium, there are a couple different options here. Oh, you might say, let's go with Jugaron al baseball, right? They played baseball. Yo. What form of ear to use with yo? Hopefully you said fui. F-U-I. And then you went to the tennis court there. So you're going to say, I played tennis. This is going to be the irregular one, like we have here. J-U-G-U-E accent on it. Jugué al tenis, right? Número 5, Carlota y yo. And she went to the gymnasium. What form of ear? Fuimos. Okay. And then if she went to the gymnasium, probably she's going to be playing, baloncesto, right? So you're going to have jugamos al baloncesto, al basketball, or al baloncesto. Oh, they have baloncesto in this box. Lo siento. Baloncesto. All right. Número 6, abuelo y tío Anton. So grandpa and Uncle Anton. Blank al parque. Hopefully you said fueron, F-U-E-R-O-N. And if they went to the park, dominoes perhaps? They played dominoes at the park. We might have jugaron al domino. Jugaron al domino. And again, you could pick different things that they're playing here at different places. All right. Número 7. Manolito. What form of ear would you be using there? Fue. Went to his friend's house. We only have one left, right? A new board game. So how do we say he? Hopefully you said jugo, J-U-G-O, accent on the O. Un nuevo juego de mesa. All right, make sure you practice these verbs because they will be important for next year in Spanish too. Let me know if you have questions.